Good morning, guys. This is Gilby Aguirre from the team Unstoppable Diamonds, and today I will be presenting a very interesting topic, okay, that a lot of us are very familiar. So, guys, introducing Team Unstoppable Diamonds Facebook Marketing 101. Ano nga ba ang FB marketing or Facebook marketing? So, paano siya gawin, guys? May bayad ba or madali lang ba gawin? Mahirap? So, malamang ito yung mga question na pumapasok sa madalas sa isip natin. So, well, I tell you guys, this is very, very simple. So, let's get started. Okay, table of contents. So, these are the topics that we're going to discuss. Distinguishing warm and cold prospects and how to handle them, how to create Facebook fan page, how to market using Facebook, Team Unstoppable Diamonds, chat support forum. Okay guys, warm and cold prospects. So malamang naririnig natin to palagi, warm or cold, warm or cold. Guys, this is not water na malamig o mainit. So this refers to prospects na na-encounter natin. So warm means people you know or people who are interested with your products, or those are your friends, family, new acquaintance. So ito yung mga, in short, yung mga kilala mo na. Okay, yung mga na-meet mo na. So, cold prospects, these are strangers you never meet. So, sila yung mga wala pa talagang wala ka pa talagang contact sa kanila. Okay, so malinaw na guys. So, let's proceed. Okay, guys. So, in this line of business, or our business, it is very important to at least have your prospect list. Okay? Just like kailangan at least 100 list of warm prospects and 100 list of cold prospects. Okay, I'm pretty sure na lahat sa atin meron tayong kakilala more than 200 prospects. Okay? So, or even 500 prospects. So, kung hindi mo alam, kung wala kang alam gawin, guys, check your Facebook. I'm pretty sure na lahat ang iba dyan may thousands of friends sa Facebook. So those are your warm prospects. Okay, guys, let's proceed. So how to handle warm prospects? So guys, are you familiar with form, family, occupation, recreation, message? Okay, so for those who are not familiar, let me give you an example kung paano siya nagwo-work. So form, guys, this is a very important approach. Okay? Napaka-awkward naman kung kung ma-meet natin yung mga kaibigan natin. Agad-agad i-present mo yung business opportunity mo o yung mga products mo. So at least meron kang pasada muna kung paano mo siya gawin. Okay? Let's start with family. Just like for example, na-meet mo si Juan. Okay, oy Juan, kamusta ka na? Yan, kamusta ni si mother mo? Kamusta ni si father mo? So at least na makikita nila yung concern mo, di ba? Siyempre, parang magsasabi siya na okay, actually ganito si father ko okay naman. Pero si mother ko andun sa bahay may sakit. So, yun. Magkakaroon ka ng idea. Ting! Di ba? Para may ilaw kagad sa utak mo na, magkakaroon ka ng idea, oy, may sakit. Ganon. So, yun. So, mag-proceed ka pa. At least meron ka ng one clue. Okay? Occupation. Guys, so, syempre, isi-share niya kung anong situation niya. Well, actually, sasabi si Juan na, actually, okay naman ang company namin, pero, mukhang delikado yung position ko ngayon. Okay, ting. So, yun, parang magkakaroon ka ulit ng idea kung saan ka papasok. Di ba? So, yun. And then, recreation, kung ano mga ginagawa nila outside of their work, like sports, or chess, hobbies. So, yun. Kamustahin mo rin yun. Okay? So, that will give you idea kung paano mo siya i-approach. So, and lastly, message. Okay? So, after mo yan na pasadahan lahat, yung family, occupation, recreation, message, so, ipasok mo na yung opportunity. Well, actually, dito ako para bisitahin, may offer ako sa iyo, and I do believe na makakatulong to sa mother mo. And later on, pwede natin to pag-usapan. Kasi alam ko naman na medyo mahirap yung palipat-lipat ng work, or syempre it's a good thing na meron tayong extra income, di ba? So I hope you will be open with this. If you have at least 30 minutes, kung pwede ko ma-discuss sa iyo yung business opportunity, mas maganda. Okay, guys? So, just think about form. Okay? Family, occupation, recreation, message. Okay? Let's proceed, guys. So, where to look? I think we're done with warm prospects. Okay? Now, let's proceed to cold prospects. So guys, this is the question. Where to look for cold prospects? Of course, sa Facebook. Don't you know that Facebook is the largest social networking in the internet? Okay? Okay, there is a tagline here which says wasting people lives since 2004. Yes, this is true, guys. It's wasting people's lives, especially for those people who are not doing nothing in Facebook, just liking, commenting. They are literally wasting their time. But for us, guys, we are marketers, we're businessmen, we're business minded. We can maximize Facebook. Okay? And I'm pretty sure lahat tayo nakikita natin maraming products, maraming tao, maraming friends natin na gumagawa nito. Okay? So, ano nga bang Facebook marketing? Okay, let's proceed. But, guys, I'm giving you warning. Please stop Facebook spamming. Okay, ano nga bang spamming? Okay? Can involve contacting people with unwanted contents or requests. This includes sending bulk messages, excessively posting links or images to people's timeline, and sending friend requests to people you don't know personally. Okay? So, siguro naman tayo may natatanggap tayo ng mga message na parang ano to parang kakaiba tong message na to na parang link lang, or walang related na thread o So those are spam, and I'm pretty sure kahit sino naman ayaw may spam. Okay? And for sure, yung mga nag-i-spam, madaling malocate ng Facebook, madali silang iban. So, sayang naman yung mga friends natin kung mangyayari to sa atin na mababantay sa Facebook through spamming. Okay? So, let's stop Facebook spamming. Okay, let's proceed. So, how to create Facebook fan page. So, as you can see, guys, even the big companies like McDonald's has fan page. Okay, this is the avenue where they can extend their customer support through Facebook fan page. Diba? Merong interaction through Facebook fan page. Just like liking, sharing of contents, commenting, importante yon. Okay? May engagement na nangyayari. Okay, let's proceed. Kailangan natin ng, kung ang McDonald's may Facebook fan page, so how much more tayo kailangan natin magkaroon ng Facebook fan page. Okay? Okay, guys. Before doing this, let's proceed on how to create Facebook fan page. I'm going to show you a very simple steps on how to create Facebook fan page. Okay. Ayan. Nandito tayo sa group. So, you just have to look on your newsfeed. Makikita nyo dito sa left side. Ayan. You just have to look for this one. Yan, nakikita nyo yun, di ba? Okay. Click this one. Create page. Okay. So, meron tayong mga option dito. Local business or place, company, organization, institution, brand or product, entertainment, artist, and cause or community. Obviously, nabilong tayo sa brand or product. Guys, do not choose company, organization, or institution. So, kailangan, we have to focus on product or branding. Okay? Although, we represent Junes or we represent a company, but we are not the company owner. So, let's just proceed to the product that we're going to market. So, click brand or product. Okay, choose a category. Yan. Alam naman natin na yung products natin nasa line of health and beauty. So, i-click nyo yung health and beauty. Okay. Brand or product name. Okay. Guys, this is very, very important. So, kailangan maging maingat kayo pag nagpipili kayo ng product name. Kasi keyword yan. Very important lang. Important yan. So, kailangan, you have to choose a very interesting, a very madaling matandaan na pangalan. Okay? Let's say, let's type skin expert. Okay? Skin expert official. Okay, this is also a good keyword. Skin expert official. Okay, let's proceed kung nakuha na siya. Okay, sometimes ito may mga guidelines sa Facebook. The name skin expert official may be violation, okay? Let's make it simple. Skin expert. Okay, ito yung mga suggestion nila. Ayan. So, okay, let's just wait for the Facebook to load kasi may mga important. Ayan. Okay, this is the place where you can put your URL. Okay. So guys, here. Gamitin lang natin yung sa isang kapartner natin, Skin Expert Official. .junesglobal.com. Okay, live tayo ngayon. May tumatawag sa akin. Okay, for a moment. Hello, bro. Coach Gavin. Actually, gumagawa ako ng recording presentation. Naka-live tayo ngayon. Pero okay lang. Sige, tawag na lang mamaya. Okay. Actually, hindi. Wala na bang inactive or ano? I-check mo ng maayos kasi minsan may nakalagay inactive. Tingnan mo ng maayos. Okay, yan. Yung kay Pete, hindi pa yung nag-work. Hindi pa na-activate ata, may problema sa ano, sa system nila. Tatawag ko yun bukas. Naka-live tayo, bro. Okay lang, okay lang. Sige, may tindihan naman nila nito. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. So at least I'm doing multitasking while presenting this to you. Tumawag yung isang kapartner natin, si Coach Kevin. Okay, but anyway, let's proceed. Guys, I think you just have to put here this is about beauty, health and beauty page. Yan. For the moment, ito lang muna yung description na ilalagay natin. Okay, let's proceed. Save info. Okay, guys, this is very important. So, where to look for pictures? Guys, we have a website here, Team Unstoppable Diamonds, Resources and Training Blog for Genius. I have uploaded some of the contents that we can use in our Facebook fan page. Okay? Ito sa mga pictures. Punta tayo sa online marketing. Yan. I'm sorry, Benjo. Mabagal yung connection natin ngayon. Where, guys, in the other hand, you can look for the images in Google. Pero ito kasi naka-specified na siya eh. Pwede mo magamit. Skincare. Meron tayong dalawa ditong option. Kung saan ang pipiliin nyo na line, yung health and wellness or skincare. Okay, let's open skincare. Ayan. Ito, puro mga mukha ng babae. Ayan. Dapat maging presentable yung page natin. So, you have to look for a very suitable image that can represent your brand. Okay? So, for now, gamitin lang natin ito. Ito. Click nyo yan. And download. So, let's look for ayan, nasa download na. Ito, pwede rin natin to gamitin. Ayan. Fit na fit para sa Facebook cover. Open folder. Okay, ito yung mga dinownload natin kanina. There. Okay, balik tayo sa Facebook. Ayan. Diba? Okay, next. So guys, nakita nyo to, add to favorites. So if I were you, you have to click this para madali nyo makita sa newsfeed nyo. Kasi kung minsan, pag marami na kayong groups na nasalihan, mahirap hanapin yung group na, ay yung fan page mo. So, kailangan, you have to click this, add favorite. Yan, makikita nyo kaagad sa left side, yung fan page nyo. Okay, proceed tayo. Preferred page audience. Yan. So as you can see guys, it's very user friendly, madaling intindihin, 'di ba? Ayan. I think yung products natin pwede naman 65 and above, right? So ayan. So let's just proceed. I think pwede naman ninyo to balikan yung mga additional information ng fan page niyo. Okay, click save. Naku, napakabagal. Pasensya na. Oh guys, yan. So guys, bakit skin expert ang nakalagay dito? Bakit hindi Junes? So well actually, if you have to put yourself in your prospect shoes, so wala kang pakialam anong Junes, di ba? What you care about is about the product that can help you. It's not about the company. And later on, dun mo na lang introduce yung company pag naintindihan na nila yung products. Okay guys? So it's very important na kahit gumawa ka na lang ng sarili mong brand in your Facebook fan page. Yan. Skin expert. Okay. It's very important too to put a very relevant Facebook cover. So, yung kanina nga in-upload na natin, kinuha natin sa Team Unstoppable blog. Ito yung ngayon na ilalagay natin dito. Ayan. Diba? Pwede, diba? Okay. But guys, if you're not comfortable with this, it's very simple. I have a suggestion na pwede natin magamit para ma-edit pa yung fan page natin para maging presentable. Okay? We can use an online editor. Okay? You can find this at ipiccy.com. ipiccy.com. Okay? Yan. Hanapin nyo yan. ipiccy.com. Okay. Upload natin. Madali lang naman to mag-edit ng picture. Bibigyan ko kayo ng idea kung paano mag-edit. Napakasimple lang. Upload. Well, anyway, you can connect this to your Facebook para makalagin kayo. Madali mag-upload. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, ngayon, lalagyan natin ng caption. Normally, kailangan mag-isip kayo ng very catchy na title para sa fan page niyo. Yan, lagay nyo lang. Look younger. Okay. In look ten years younger in 2 minutes. Di ba? Parang unbelievable. Look 10 years younger in less than 2 minutes. Okay, yan. So, what do you think, guys? It's very nakaka-intriga, di ba? Anong meaning nito? So, kailangan i-lighter nyo lang para madali siyang makita. I-lighter nyo. Yan. Lighter dito sa color. Diba? Pwede na, diba? Yan. Ganda na, diba? Parang cover na siya ng mga shampoo, advertisement. Look 10 years younger in less than 2 minutes. Diba? Ganda. And then, you can put some speech bubbles. Example, gusto niyo ilagay yung numbers niyo. Diba? Speech bubbles. Kailangan i-timing lang natin na Yan. Lakyan lang natin. Okay. Lagay nyo dyan, contact me. Lagay nyo yung number nyo dyan. Or, ask me how. How. Lagay nyo. 092. Where's my cell phone? I have to look. 0928 248 5991 248 5991. Yan, adjust nyo lang guys para mag-fit siya sa Ayan. Diba napaka-simple lang. There you go. Ayan. Well, actually, may edit nyo lang. Magagawa nyo ng page yung in less than 15 minutes. Diba? Yan. I think this is all good for now for your Facebook cover. So let's click this one to finish it up. Ayan. And then, save. Kailangan ang quality taasan nyo 100% and then put FB cover skin expert. Save. Okay, so guys, balik tayo dun sa fan page natin. Cancel and add cover. Still loading. Okay guys, just bear with us. Still loading. So yan. Okay, there. Perfect. Yan, pwede niyan. Look 10 years younger in less than 2 minutes. Ayan. Ako nag-load. So yun guys. Napakadali lang, di ba? Very, very simple. So let's go back. Okay, now guys that you have your own Facebook fan page, so paano natin siya i-market? Okay? Dali lang. Mag-join lang tayo sa mga Facebook groups. Or it's either, one trick is to invite all FB friends to your Facebook. Okay? Meron tayong trick dito. Tuturuan ko kayo. Napakadali lang. Yan, di ba? Ayan. Siyempre, kung gagawin natin ay, by the way guys, punta muna tayo dito. Call to action. Ano nga ba yung website natin? www.skinexpertofficial.genesglobal.com. Okay. So, kailangan ilagay natin tong website natin dito. And then, shop now. Yan, shop now. Or you may choose some other button. Shop now, contact us, sign up. So it depends on what is your interest. Shop now. Okay. Website. Pwede rin. Yan. Pag sa mga cellphone, yan kasing lumalabas eh. Yan. There you go. Shop now. Di ba? Ganda. Okay. And then, let's go back. Paano natin mapaparami yung like? or paano natin ma-invite yung mga warm prospect natin, yung mga friends natin sa Facebook. Okay, it's pretty hassle kung ilalike natin, invite natin sila one by one, di ba? Okay, I have a very simple trick here na magagawa natin para dumami yung likes natin. Punta ka dito. Diba? Nakikita nyo invite friends. Ayan. Ako, bagal mag-load. Diba yan? So, punta tayo dito sa vlog natin. Okay, click yung picture. Ito, training. Facebook marketing. Meron tayong gagamitin na code para dumami yung likes natin. Okay. Download nyo lang to from our blog. Tapos i-paste natin sa fan page. Diba? Ito, invite all friends. It's either gagawin natin copy-paste lang. Yan, copy-paste lang. Copy nyo yan, and then, di ba yan? Scroll nyo yun to pababa. Scroll pababa. Di ba, ang dami ng invite. So, how much more kung meron kang 5,000 friends? Alam naman, invite mo yan. Click mo yan. Mapapagod, mapupudpud yung kamay mo. So, scroll mo lang pababa. After mo may scroll, you click F12. Okay? F12. Yan, may lalabas. Well, actually, ito yung mga portion na kung saan dito na nag-edit yung mga yung mga IT o yung mga programmer. So guys, hanapin nyo lang ang console. Scroll nyo lang to dito. Console. Yan. May nakalagay, stop. Yan. So this time, i-click nyo lang to. Di ba mawawala yan? And then paste. Control V nyo. Control V. I-paste nyo yung code dyan. Tapos, enter. Ayan. So, makikita nyo. Ayan, nag-load na yan. Yan, waiting. Nakikita niyo yan. Waiting facebook.com. So, it means, yan, nagge-generate ng code. Nagge-generate yung code. Antayin lang natin. Yung mga nalampasan natin na invite, yan, makiklik lahat yan. Okay? So, pwede na natin i-close to. Ayan. Waiting for facebook.com. Pasensya na guys, it may take time, mabagal talaga siya. Yan, so nakita niyo na 'di ba? Nag-load. Yan, lahat ng mga nadaanan natin, na-scroll down natin, na-invite na 'yan. So that code will really work pag nilagay natin doon sa Okay na? So, yun. Okay, let's proceed, guys. Malapit na lang tayo. So, yun. Okay. That is one way para magamit yung trick mo. One-way trick na ma-invite natin yung mga friends through that code. And then, the Facebook PPC, I think we don't have to discuss this now because this is a very costly marketing technique. So let's just proceed. Okay, by the way, sa Facebook group, madali na naman gagawin mo. Okay, ganito. Punta tayo sa fan page ko. Just for example, okay, I have here Jeunesse Skincare. Okay. So as I have said previously, you don't have to put the company name. But it's up to you kung trip mo. But in my case, para ma-maximize lang yung title niya, nilagyan ko na lang ng Jeunesse Skincare Official. But you can also choose just Skincare Official. So, something like that. So guys, how to share? So it's very important na kailangan yung avenue kung saan ka mag-share ng post mo, dapat related din. Okay. So kailangan, kung nag-share tayo, doon tayo sa mga groups na mga relevant audience. Katulad yan, kung ang market natin mga OFW, i-add mo yung sarili mo sa mga OFW groups. Diba? Yan. Mabagal. Okay. Make sure that you have to put this one. Okay. So as you can see guys, I only have just a few page likes. But nakikita nyo yung post reach niya, it reaches 13,000, right? So what is important here, kung saan ang maaabot ng post mo. It doesn't really matter kung 184 lang yung page like mo, as long as mataas yung engagement mo. Mataas, malawak, or malayo yung post reach mo. Okay guys? So hindi ako nauubusan ng mga inquiry. In this case, makikita nyo may dalawang nag-shop. Diba? Very interesting. And recently, may 29 na nag-likes. Diba? Post reach. Ayan. May notification din ako na pito. Okay. Actually, ngayong araw ko lang ito ginawa. And I already have 2 messages. Ayan. Click natin. Okay, guys, kung meron na kayong fan page, kailangan ito yung mga button na i-check nyo palagi. Kasi it's very important na monitor nyo yung notification. Kasi kung minsan, nagme-message yung mga client through comment, yan. Minsan, nagpapadala sila ng personal message. So, sometimes you really have to interact with them. Diba? Okay, what I usually does ay kung nagko-comment sila, kung may mga maselan sila ng mga questions, katulad yan, yan. How to become a reseller. Okay, babalikan lang natin yan. Okay, guys? So, those are the samples na marireceive mo mga questions. Okay, kung minsan, ganito ang technique. Pag nagme-message sila, nagtatanong lang, or sometimes, the other day, hindi na sila nagme-message, you really have to follow up them. Okay? Give them updates. In that way, ma-remind sila. Kung minsan, busy lang ang tao kailangan natin i-remind. Bigyan natin ng updates. Okay? So, kailangan i-feed natin sila ng information regarding our company, our products, ganon. Para ma-revive yung interest nila. So, guys, ganon. So, let's now do the sharing. Paano natin i-share? So, katulad dito guys, kailangan pag nag-share kayo, ilagay nyo rin tong information na to. Kasi kung minsan pag sinishare nyo, yung information na yan bumababa. Okay, click natin to. Ako, ang bagal talaga. Yan. Bilis lang to. Copy. And then, click this one. Yan. You have to choose share in a group. Kaya ganito guys, bakit share in a group? Kasi kung sa group, especially sa mga group ng maraming audience, marami talaga yan makakapansin. But if you just have to want to share it in your friend's timeline, kung minsan, nakaka-annoy yung ganyan mga activities. Especially pag walang consent ng mga friend mo. Kailangan share in a group. Okay? Ganon. Or in a private message. So this time, lagay natin, click mo lang dyan. Yan. May mga lalabas na mga groups. So ilagay muna natin mga Filipino sa Italy. Yan. Then paste this one. Yan. Okay, there you go. Post. Diba? Napakadali lang. Yan. Okay. So guys, nakita nyo to. Mostly, ang mga pinili ko ay walang event ng Junes, mga pictures ng mga activities. Mostly, ang nilagay ko mga testimonies. These are the contents na kailangan natin i-share sa mga prospect natin na very catchy talaga sa kanila. Okay? Because these posts are not really important to them. What is important is those are the real results that they can get from our products. So, kailangan i-post natin to. I-feed natin sa kanila yung mga importance na mga pictures na yan. So, just like this picture, it tells 1,000 words, di ba? Tulad yan, di ba? Nagdi-describe kung paano gumaling, tapos nagzizip yung bata. Okay, ganyan. So, you just have to choose a very interesting, a very catchy picture or video. As much as possible, video i-post nyo. Okay. Ganyan. I think, guys, we're done with this. And if you have any question in this matter sa Facebook, how to create, just PM me. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, we're done with join groups, how to invite trick. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, we're finished. So guys, what is TUD Chat Support Forum? Well, actually, this is our chat support. Okay, what is the purpose for this? May mga clients tayo na kuminsan na mahirap kausapin, especially pag bago lang tayo sa company, ay bago lang tayo sa business na to, may mga question tayo na mahirap i-handle. So, kailangan you need to direct it to the people who already have the idea, already exposed to this business. So, kailangan you have to ask your upline, you have to ask the team on how they can help you. So this is the avenue where you can put your downlines, your prospects. Yan. Ito yung chat support natin. How to join. You just have to ask your upline na i-add kanila sa chat support. Okay? So just be reminded sa may mga rules tayo. Okay? Ganito, only guests that are positive for sign up. So, kailangan yung mga guests natin na katulad yan, may mga nagtatanong, okay, saan ang office? How much is this? If you are not sure, pwede mo sila i-add sa chat room natin. Okay? Okay. Avoid bringing strangers. Okay. This forum is for people who want to know more about the business. O nga naman, kasi recently, katulad yan, recently, inad ako. Without my knowledge, inad ako sa isang group. So, marami ako nakikita, maraming nagli-leave. Kasi nga, parang it's a form of spamming na magugulat ka talaga na inad ka kung ano, di ba? At maaanoy ka. So, kailangan, you have to ask for permission bago mo sila i-add. Okay? And then, this is the format. After adding, introduce mo sila. Guys, this is my friend, Juan. Okay? From Baguio or from other country, from Dubai. And then, go directly to their concerns. So, in that way, it will give us idea. It will give the leaders idea on how to approach them, on how to talk to them. Okay, guys? And avoid hype, MLM power words. Sometimes kasi, especially sa fan page natin, hindi dyan nakalagay yung yung mga keyword ni MLM. As much as possible, avoid natin yon. May mga tao kasi na maselan sa networking, especially sa mga power. So, kailangan avoid natin yon. Okay? Kailangan professional approach. Okay? And then, you can suggest to them na pwede nila i-mute yung notification para anytime pwede sila mag-leave. Diba? Para hindi naman hassle sa kanila na may nagpa-pop up sa Facebook nila. Okay? So, give them advice na after we handle your questions, we handle your concerns, pwede naman kayo mag-leave. Okay? I think you understand, you already know the function of this TOD chat support forum. So guys, thank you very much for your time. And guys, before we end up, I just want you to visit our visit our blog. Okay. So as you can see guys, marami tayong mga resources dito. Jumpstart, new distributors training. Guys, kung may mga bagong sign up kayo, please invite them to watch new distributors orientation. Okay? Very very important to. Lalo na sa mga baguhan para may idea sila sa back office, sa mga mindset, kung anong gagawin nila next. Okay? After they sign up. Okay? Ito yung bigay nyo na video. Okay? Ito yung na-discuss dito, isa sa mga top distributor ng Gines, si Kim Wei. Okay? And Jumpstart Training, ito yung mga mind setting. Okay, later on, ito yung mga Facebook marketing, i-share nyo na sa kanila. But first, yung NDO, New Distributors Training. And then, the marketing plan, they can download it here. Prospect templates, yung sinabi ko kanina na mag-list down ng mga prospect, ito yung magagamit nila na template. Dito nila ilalagay yung mga prospect, okay? And then, the videos. Guys, yung mga videos dun sa fan page, nakita nyo? Eto, yan. Nakita nyo yan, di ba? Mada-download nyo sa blog natin. Mada-download nyo yan. Yan. Click nyo lang yan. Meron doon download button. Makukuha nyo yan dyan. Okay? Guys, and then the testimonies, featured magazine, journals. These are very helpful contents na pwede nyo malagay sa mga fan page ninyo. Okay? I think this is all for now, and thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate you for watching this video. And please guys, if you have any question, don't hesitate to approach us. And thank you very much, and God bless guys. See you on top. Bye bye.